Good day, no home. I'm your host, Will and Cloud, and welcome to the BMW 3 Series, or so-called Villainmobile. This time I'm gonna show you how you can change your anti-roll bar link. Now, I did the certificate or the test. You can see here, these two. Anti-roll bar pin pushing successfully worn, anti-roll bar linkage ball joint successfully worn. This is an anti-roll bar link. You can see this goes, one is like this, with the nut on the side, the side is this on the other side. This is worn on the Villainmobile, so we're gonna fix it. And these are the tools that you're gonna need. You're gonna need 17-16 millimeter spanners. You will need a special tool that gets your lock bolts, lug nuts off from your tire. This is a special lock nut for the one nut, 17 mil socket, the extension and the ratchet. Of course you will need two jack stands or axle stands and a jack to jack up your car. Let's read which side it is, because each side has one, so one each side. This says near side front. Near side front. So near side means closer where the people are walking. So closer to the pavement. So this, the passenger seat is closer. So this side, the car, the roll bar is damaged. So we need to change this side. First things, before you jack the car up, loosen up all
bolts.
All of them. Otherwise, when you have the car up in the air, the wheel will spin. If that doesn't work, if you can't do it by hand, use your feet. Just do it and see? Done. That got it loose, see? Spinning freely. There's one lock nut. See? Fast and easy. Lift your car up and remove the wheel. Now always when your car is on the jack stands, move it. Make sure it's stable and it won't fall down. As you can see, it's stable. Now you can remove all the
bolts
and remove the wheel, so it's off the car. For safety, always put the wheel under the car. If something bad happens, it will land on the wheel, not on you or your hand or your face. In one place, so you don't lose them. And the special tool too. Right here. You see this?
nut.
Here goes the bar. Goes to the other side. This.
For easier access, push the steering to the left so you have more access. And of course use a good dose of WD-40. Spray the top nut and the bottom nut, and then try to loose them up by holding the rear nut with 17mm and the front with the 16mm. Once it's getting loose enough, get the socket and the wrench and undo it that way. It will be much faster and easier for you.
Now let's compare. Nice new bushing, old, pretty squeezed down bushing. Here, oh my, oh my, oh my. And here, solid, nothing moving. That's why this was a failure. Look at the free play. Look at the movement I can do with once. Look at all this. And here, good luck. This one is completely gone. That's it. That's game over for this one. Welcome, brand new and shiny.
Unscrew both of the new nuts and don't worry about thread lock. They have nylon at the front.
Now don't forget to tighten all 5 nuts. Then Mobile is fixed. If you liked the video, of course, smash that like button. See, injury. Have the first injury. No, it's actually loads of them. Smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome videos, share the video to like so that people can see them too. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!